In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 best coffee machine for home 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 best coffee machine for home 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine BES 500 BTR, compact espresso maker with automatic milk frothing, thermojet heating system, black truffle. Fast thermojet heating system reaches optimal brewing temperature in just seconds for quick espresso preparation. Automatic steam wand creates silky microfoam with adjustable milk temperature and texture for cafe-style drinks. Compact space-saving design fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops without sacrificing performance. Low pressure pre. Infusion gradually increases pressure for balanced extraction and rich espresso flavor. 0.54 mm portafilter helps produce full-bodied espresso with enhanced flavor and aroma. Easy to use and clean, simple controls with automatic cleaning features for convenient daily operation. The Breville Bambino Plus BES 500 BTR delivers professional quality espresso in a compact, stylish design. Featuring Breville's fast thermojet heating system, it reaches the ideal extraction temperature in just a few seconds, allowing you to enjoy fresh espresso without the wait. The automatic steam wand produces smooth, velvety microfoam with customizable milk temperature and texture, making it easy to create lattes, cappuccinos, and other cafe favorite. Number 2, DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Automatic Espresso Machine ECAM 29084SB, bean-to-cup coffee maker with built-in grinder, auto milk frother, one-touch latte, cappuccino, Americano, and iced coffee. Silver. One-touch coffee recipes: prepare espresso, latte, cappuccino, Americano, iced coffee, and more with the touch of a button. Built-in conical burr grinder freshly grinds coffee beans for rich aroma and full-bodied flavor in every cup. Automatic milk frother creates creamy, velvety milk foam for cafe quality milk-based beverages. Auto clean milk system automatic cleaning function simplifies maintenance and keeps the milk system hygienic. Customizable brewing options adjust coffee strength, size, and temperature to suit your personal taste. Elegant and user-friendly design. Modern silver finish with an intuitive control panel for effortless daily operation. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo ECAM 29084SB Automatic Espresso Machine. Designed for coffee lovers who value convenience and exceptional flavor, this bean-to-cup machine features a built-in conical burr grinder that grinds fresh beans for every brew, ensuring maximum freshness and aroma. With one-touch beverage selection, you can quickly prepare espresso, cappuccino, latte, Americano, iced coffee, and other cafe favorites with consistent results. The automatic milk frother produces rich, silky foam for perfectly crafted milk drinks, while the integrated auto clean function keeps the milk system clean with minimal effort. Customize the strength, temperature, and coffee size to match your preferences and enjoy premium coffee every day. Combining advanced brewing technology, elegant design, and simple maintenance, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo is an excellent addition to any modern kitchen. Number 3, Philips 3300 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine EP 3341/50 Latte Go Milk System, built-in grinder, 6 hot and iced coffee presets. Silent brew technology, 15 bar pressure, glossy black. 0.6 one-touch coffee presets. Enjoy espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced coffee, and other hot or cold coffee drinks at the touch of a button. Latte Go Milk System produces smooth, creamy milk foam and is designed for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Integrated ceramic grinder freshly grinds coffee beans for rich flavor and consistent brewing performance. Silent brew technology operates up to 40% quieter for a more enjoyable coffee-making experience. 0.15 bar pump pressure delivers optimal pressure for rich espresso with a smooth crema. Fully automatic and easy to maintain. Intuitive controls with automatic brewing and simple maintenance for everyday convenience. The Philips 3300 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine EP 3341/50 brings cafe-quality coffee to your kitchen with effortless one-touch operation. Featuring 6 hot and iced coffee presets, it allows you to prepare espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced coffee, and more with consistently rich flavor. The integrated ceramic grinder grinds fresh beans for every cup, while the 15-bar pressure system extracts full-bodied espresso with a smooth, golden crema. The innovative Latte Go milk system creates silky, creamy milk foam for your favorite specialty drinks and is designed for fast, easy cleaning. With advanced silent brew technology, the machine operates up to 40% quieter than previous models, making your morning routine more enjoyable. Finished in an elegant glossy black design, the Philips 3300 series combines premium performance, convenience, and modern style for coffee lovers who want barista-quality beverages at home. Number 4. Bosch Fully Automatic Coffee and Espresso Machine TQU 60703, 36 Specialty Drinks, Double Cup Brewing, Touchscreen, Built-in Grinder, Easy Clean Super Automatic Coffee Maker, Stainless Steel .36 One-Touch Specialty Drinks. Enjoy espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano, flat white, and many more cafe-style beverages. Double Cup Brewing. Prepare 2 coffee drinks simultaneously for added convenience. Built-in Precision Grinder freshly grinds coffee beans to deliver rich aroma and exceptional flavor in every cup. Intuitive touchscreen display. Easy-to-use controls make selecting and customizing drinks simple. Large bean hopper and easy maintenance. Generous bean capacity with automatic cleaning and maintenance programs for hassle-free operation. Premium stainless steel design. Modern, durable finish complements any kitchen while delivering professional performance. The Bosch TQU 60703 fully automatic coffee and espresso machine transforms your kitchen into a personal coffee bar with the touch of a button. Offering an impressive selection of 36 specialty beverages, it lets you enjoy everything from rich espresso and creamy cappuccinos to lattes, americanos, and other cafe favorites. Number 5. Philips 2200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine EP 2220/14, 2 coffee varieties, Classic Milk Frother, 100% Ceramic Grinder, AquaClean Filter, Intuitive Touch Display, Black.2 One-Touch Coffee varieties. Brew rich espresso or classic coffee with simple touch controls. Classic Milk Frother manually create creamy milk foam for cappuccinos, lattes, and other milk-based drinks. 100% Ceramic Grinder. Durable ceramic burr grinder delivers consistent grinding for maximum flavor and aroma. Intuitive touch display. Easy-to-use control panel makes selecting and customizing beverages effortless. AquaClean water filter helps reduce limescale buildup while improving water quality and coffee taste. Aroma Seal Bean Hopper preserves coffee bean freshness and aroma between brewing sessions. The Philips 2200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine EP 2220/14 makes it easy to enjoy fresh, barista-style coffee at home. With one-touch access to 2 popular coffee varieties, espresso and regular coffee, it delivers rich flavor using freshly ground beans from its durable 100% ceramic grinder. The intuitive touch. Number 6. Ninja Luxe Café Pro Series ES701 Espresso Machine with built-in grinder, drip coffee, cold brew, hot water, integrated tamper and hands-free frother for lattes, cappuccinos and americanos. 5-in-1 coffee system. Brew espresso, drip coffee, cold brew, hot water, and specialty cafe drinks from one versatile machine. Built-in Precision Grinder freshly grinds coffee beans for rich flavor and consistent extraction every time. Integrated assisted tamper helps create evenly compressed coffee grounds. For professional quality espresso. Hands-free automatic frother produces silky microfoam for cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, and dairy or non-dairy milk. Custom brewing options personalize coffee strength, brew size, and beverage style to match your preferences. Premium all-in-one design combines multiple coffee-making functions in a sleek, space-saving countertop appliance. The Ninja Luxe Café Pro Series ES